This is a demo video for Archive Database Challenge Hackathon. We built SealVualt. SealVualt is a trustless document vault where users can save their private documents and share them with time-scoped access link. So this app has the dark view and the light view, whichever the user wants. Then I'll quickly sign in. So the sign in is protected by Privy. User just have to put in their email, and Privy sends the login code, and in the back end Privy creates the Web3 wallet. So when you put in the code, it takes you to the SealVualt dashboard. On the SealVualt dashboard, you can see the amount of documents you have, the active shares, and these vote documents are encrypted by AES 256. So you can see the recent documents and the recent transactions. If you go onto the vote, you can see the list of documents, and you can quickly add documents by clicking on the Add Documents tab and select the category you want or create a new category. And if you go to the shares tab, you can see the active shares. So what this means is that you're giving access to certain documents to people, and you can actually extend their access or revoke it. What happens in the backend is Archive imposes an entity expiry natively. So there is no background sweeper that is happening in the backend because this app is browser native, so it has no backend. When the time expires, as you can see here, the time to live here is 6 days. The time to live for this other document is about 22 hours. When the time to live expires, it is automatically removed from Archive Indexer. So what happens in the backend is that the query active grant by owner stops returning it, and they use grant expiry hooks listings for chain events and updates the grant record. So the person you share the document with can no longer access these documents. And on the tab, you can click on transactions and verify every transaction that occurred. If it was an upload or a share, you can verify them on the Archive Explorer. So for that transaction that occurred, you can actually see the JSON and all the attributes listed on the blockchain, right? And see the owner of this particular activity, right? So SealVualt also have another feature, which is the agent, which means that you can have conversations with your votes and get to know which document is shared with you, who, and if there was a purpose of sharing it, and how long is that document shared, if it has expired or not. So quickly, I can just tell the agent to list available documents in the votes. So the agent queries the votes and gets all the available documents in the vote, right? And the agent also have another feature, which is the memory, and the memory is owned by the user. So it draws from this memory whenever it's having conversations with the user, right? And the time to live for this memory is approximately 1 year, and after 1 year this memory is deleted. So also you can also view this memory in the Archive Explorer. So here you can see the project, the subtype, the topic, the type, the action counts, and when it was recorded. Everything is recorded on the blockchain, so it's immutable. So you can try this out at sealvote.len3.xyz. Thank you.